Hello, good morning, students. In the earlier lectures, we discussed two market structure, perfect competition and monopoly. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss new chapter, price discrimination or discriminating monopoly. What is price discrimination? Price discrimination means charging different prices from different customers or different groups of customers for similar goods or services. That is called price discrimination. I am repeating. Charging different prices from different customers or different groups of customer for similar services, similar goods and services. That is called price discrimination. According to Mrs. Robinson, an act of selling, the article produced under single control at different prices to different buyer, it is called price discrimination. So, from the definition, we come to know that price discrimination is generally possible in monopoly. अगर मोनोपोली और नियर मोनोपोली की सिचुएशन होगी तभी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन पॉसिबल है. In perfect competition, price discrimination is not possible because there are large numbers of buyers and sellers. So an individual seller occupies a very small part of total market. He has no control over the price of product. Okay, and buyers and sellers have knowledge, perfect knowledge, that all the sellers are selling the same product, homogeneous products. So if a producer or seller try to discriminate, he has to lose all the customers. So it is possible only in the situation of monopoly or near monopoly situation. Oligopoly में भी थोड़ा बहुत possible है price discrimination. Okay, so we will try to understand what are the forms of price discrimination or what are the types of price discrimination. Personal discrimination. Personal discrimination is a common price discrimination. It is generally practiced on the basis of income of consumer or desire or intensity of seller. Dono. For example, doctor, surgeon can charge higher operation fees from rich patient and lower operation fees from poor patient. He can make discrimination. Same lawyer can make discrimination in charging his fees, or tutor can take more fees, higher fees from rich student and lower fees from poor student. So this is an example of personal discrimination. Very easy. Second, an age discrimination. When price discrimination is practiced on the basis of age of customers, that is called age discrimination. जैसे barber, hairdresser charge lower charges for children's haircut and higher charges for adults haircut. Adults के haircut से children का haircut का charges generally कम होता है. Railway, big example of price discrimination on the basis of age. Up to 5 years no ticket, 5 to 14 half ticket. Railway has announced also 30% concession to senior citizens. जिसकी एज 60 years से above है उसको 30% concession मिलता है. Getting my point? So when price discrimination is practiced on the basis of age of customers, that is called age discrimination. Second, local discrimination. Actually, it is location discrimination. Very, very important point to be noted. That it is also known as location discrimination or geographical discrimination. When price discrimination is practiced on the basis of location of the customers, that is called local discrimination. Dumping, आपने ये सब वर्ड सुना होगा. Dumping is the best example of location discrimination. What is dumping? Charging higher, selling the products at higher rates in the domestic market and lower rates in the international market. अपने ही देश में वो प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस हाई होगी और फॉरेन कंट्रीज में इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में कम होगी. देयर आर मेनी ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ डंपिंग. सरप्लस आउटपुट को सेल करना है, टू ग्रैब इंटरनेशनल मार्केट एक्सेट्रा. चाइना इज प्रैक्टिसाइजिंग very successfully dumping. Okay, dumping means selling the product at higher rates in the domestic market and lower rates in the international market. So this is an example of location discrimination or local discrimination. Trade discrimination. When uh, price discrimination is practiced on the basis of trade, that is called trade discrimination, different trade. Or it is also known as use discrimination. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड, वो मोनोपोली का एग्जांपल है. तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, गुजरात इलेक्ट्रिक बोर्ड, अभी साउथ गुजरात में DGVCL. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ यूज, और एग्रीकल्चर यूज के लिए सबसे कम होगा रेट. इसके बाद इंडस्ट्रियल यूज, देन डोमेस्टिक यूज एंड कॉमर्शियल पर्पस. दीज आर द 4 सेगमेंट्स. ओके, सो डिफरेंट चार्जेस फॉर डिफरेंट यूज. अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एग्रीकल्चरल पर्पस के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, तो आपको मिनिमम चार्ज देना पड़ता है. अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का यूज कॉमर्शियल पर्पस के लिए करें, आपकी शॉप है, आपका मॉल है, आपका रेस्टोरेंट है, तो यू हैव टू पे हाईएस्ट चार्ज. ओके, so that is trade discrimination or use discrimination. Time discrimination. Time discrimination, when discrimination is on the basis of practiced on the basis of time, that is called time discrimination. Cinema house, मॉर्निंग शो है, मैटिनी है, उसकी टिकट जनरली कम होगी, नाइट शो, इवनिंग शो से कम होगी. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टाइम व्हेन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज प्रैक्टिसाइज. जैसे एरोप्लेन का एयर का फेयर है, वो सिलेक्ट सीजन में, ऑफ सीजन में आपको कम देना पड़े. मगर आप क्रिसमस है और दिवाली वैकेशन है, अगर उस पर अगर उस समय आप एयर टिकट का बुकिंग करवाएंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा प्राइस देने पड़ेंगे. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टाइम, व्हेन प्राइस होटल की बुकिंग के लिए सेम है. ओके, सो देन ट्रेड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टाइम. इट इज कॉल्ड टाइम डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. साइज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, when price discrimination is practiced on the basis of size of the product or service, it is called as size discrimination. बल्क में आप अगर परचेज करेंगे तो आपको कम पैसा देना पड़ेगा. ओके, साइज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. हाँ, सिंपल कि आप साइज, एग्जाम्पल सपोज के 50 ग्राम टूथपेस्ट का मान लीजिए कि 30 रुपीज़ है. ओके, तो 200 ग्राम का कितना होना चाहिए? 120 होना चाहिए, मगर 90 में मिल रहा है. क्यों? जितनी साइज आपकी बड़ी होगी उतना आपको कम पैसा देना पड़ेगा. व्हेन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस, व्हेन प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज प्रैक्टिसाइज्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड साइज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. ओके, लास्ट, क्वालिटी वेरिएशन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. व्हेन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ क्वालिटी price discrimination is practiced, that is called quality variation discrimination. When deluxe notebook and simple notebook, okay, paper back edition. Magar I don't agree with this discrimination because it does not suit with the definition of price discrimination. Price discrimination kya? Charging different prices from different customers or different groups of customer for the similar or the same goods and services. An act of selling the same article produced under single control at different prices to different customer. So as per the definition, this is not that suitable, but there is a discrimination. Okay, so this is price discrimination. In this video lecture we discuss personal discrimination, age discrimination, local discrimination, okay, trade or use discrimination, time discrimination, size discrimination, and last, quality variation discrimination. आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.